Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be an unboxing video, which is super exciting. My tablet here, it's the Huion, oh gosh, what brand does it say? The HS64 model. The brand is Huion. I'm just stupid. Anyway, it broke over the weekend. So the way these tablets work is the pressure sensitivities in the actual tablet and the pen is non-chargeable, so you don't have to worry about plugging them up or anything. This is not like a Bluetooth tablet, so I have it like plugged into my tower. It's about $45, something like that. I have like a little bit of a bad memory when it comes to certain things, so I want to say I thought I spent $65 on this. It's actually a little bit cheaper than that. So I thought, well, and it's lasted me like a year and a half, and I thought, well, maybe I'll just go replace it and buy another one. But then my husband was like, well, you kind of get what you pay for, you know? And I'm like, yeah, you got a point. I don't want to spend 40 bucks on a tablet that's going to last another maybe year and a half again and it break. And the way it broke was like when I was trying to draw on it, it just wasn't registering the sensitivity, mostly on this side of the tablet, which is weird because I think I mostly draw on this side. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing, but anyway, so now we've got a new tablet here. I'm super excited to open it. Let me just scoot this old baby out of the way. I think I'm going to keep the pen. I mean, it still works. It's a great pen. I just replaced the nib on it. I'm just not going to keep this. I might keep the charging cord if it fits into this one as a backup, which would be kind of cool. So this is my new tablet. That's the brand. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. This is the model, the M10K Pro, with also battery-free pen, which is really cool. And this is my first time opening it, so we're gonna get to see it together. I'm so excited. If my camera will focus. Don't be blurry. Please don't be blurry. Maybe if I just mess with the zoom. Ooh, it's doing stuff. There we go. Now it's doing a thing. Grab it. Let me grab it over here. Oh, it's huge. Wow. Okay, so this is like, I don't know, what is it, like a $90 tablet? And I got it on sale on Amazon for like 60 something. It ended up coming out to be about $70 after taxes. Woo, baby. Look at you. Holy crap. This thing is huge. Look, it's almost as big as my monitor. Almost. Just kind of like see if I can hold it up flat to it. Look at that. That's massive. We'll talk about an upgrade. Let's put the baby tablet on top of it. We're going to see how much extra drawing space I have. Look at the real estate. Wow, look at that. It's like black on black. It's hard to see. Let me get my head out of the light. It literally just like in the corner. That's wild. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I hope that this tablet lasts for years to come. That would just be great. Where's the charging thing? Okay, there's a little port right here for the cable. There's a little thing to hold the pen right here. And these little buttons, so these are like hotkeys, so you can program them to save like your brush, your eraser, your selection tools, things like that. And then this is supposed to be like a zoom in, zoom out kind of a thing, which I'm going to be really excited to mess around with. Let's see, it came with I want to say this is like a case, like a little sleeve. Let me put my camera down. Some like plastic ASMR for you guys. Ooh, it's soft. Ooh, and it's got yellow, black and yellow. That's nice. Here you go. This is what I'm seeing. Hello. So yellow is like legit my favorite color on the planet. Yellow and pink, and I do love black. So that is really nice. So there's a sleeve. Ooh, that sounds like pen nibs. I bet that's exactly what it is. What's in you? Da, 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 da. Pen nibs. Nice. Okay, so there's the pen nibs. Oh, does it not come with a pen? Ooh, oh, it comes with a little glove and the little manual, little starting guide. It does come with a case to hold your pen. Let's see if the pen is hidden in the box. Oh, I bet it's right here. Oh, there we go. That's the pen. Look at you, you're sleek. Wow, okay. And the cables. You know, I bet the cables are almost the same. I bet I could keep that other cable and it would fit. And I've got backup stuff. Cool. That's cool. Love that. Very nice. All right. I want to kind of like show the pin side by side. Let's put them on this like light color. Open that. Ugh. Got the plastic in my mouth. Like an animal, just bit right into it. There we go. Okay. Alright, cool. So this is the new pen. It's the old pen. I'm going to keep it. You know, that backup pen never hurts. That's thin. Oh, I'm not left-handed though. That felt weird to hold it right there. Cool. And it's got like the same little buttons on the side. You know, I wasn't really a fan of the buttons because sometimes I'd accidentally press it when I was using my brush tool and it would like go to my eraser tool and I'd be like, crap, then I'd have to go back to my brush tool. But that's really cool. I'm really excited. Okay, so my next drawing video, it's going to be of my best friend Jen's OC character, Possum Girl. And she's really cute. And she said, I'm not sure if it was for anything in particular or if it was just for fun, but she said, here's my OC. Can you draw her in any style, doing any pose, whatever? And I was like, yeah, absolutely. That was like, what, 3 weeks ago? A lot of stuff has happened in 3 weeks. And then when I got to drawing, the tablet conked out and acted stupid, so I said, well, now you gotta wait for the new tablet to come in. It actually came in pretty quickly. I went for the free shipping. It was supposed to get here on Saturday. It got here Wednesday, which was super cool. So yeah. Alright, anyway, so I'm excited. I'm going to set this all up. I'm going to download the software for it, and then I'm gonna like doodle tonight. Yay! You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.